Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs and ham. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 2 large eggs, about 1 ounce of diced ham, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a small pat of butter. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a whisk handy. Dicing your ham into small, even pieces ensures it cooks perfectly and blends well with the eggs. This simple preparation sets you up for a delicious meal. Now, let's get that ham cooking. Place your non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1/2 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, add your diced ham to the pan. Cook the ham for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently until it's lightly browned and slightly crispy. This step adds a wonderful savory depth to your scrambled eggs, making them extra flavorful and satisfying. While the ham is cooking, whisk your 2 large eggs and 1 tablespoon of milk in a bowl until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Once the ham is ready, pour the egg mixture directly into the pan. Let the eggs set for a few seconds, then gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center with a spatula. Continue this process until the eggs are mostly set but still moist and creamy, about 2 minutes. Once your eggs are cooked to your desired consistency, remove the pan from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. Season your delicious scrambled eggs and ham with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve them warm and enjoy your easy, flavorful meal. For more great tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.